What up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm headed to petrol station. I'm going to fill up the tank, and I want to buy petrol for the Kentucky Rounder. On the first video that I posted, I tried to start the vehicle, but it did not start because it didn't have petrol. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to pump the wheel because it has no air. Yeah, that's basically what I'm going to do today, because I want to drive that car. It's been a long time since I haven't driven that car. The reason is because I do not have papers and I'm not the owner of that car yet. The owner said he lost the car papers, and at the traffic department, I have applied for the papers, the registration papers. So I'm waiting for the papers to come, but I cannot wait any longer because it is taking time. I feel like it's been like forever now, and I cannot wait any longer. The reason that I put it over there, someone stole my number plate and my roadworthy registration, and that person is a thief. So he took them while I was at school. I just decided to put that car on hold. Yeah, I'm waiting for the papers for that car. That's why I wasn't driving it. But now I am tired. I bought that car. I want to drive it. So yeah. I want to try to start this car. It's been like over 6 months since I haven't started this car at all, and as you saw, even on the inside, it is filthy dirty, and now it is starting to rain outside. So yeah, let me try to start it, and I'll see if it will. But there's a possibility that it might have the plug might have died, because this car, if you wait so long to start it, the plugs get wet. So when they get wet, they don't work at all. So it might have that problem, or the carburetor might have too much dust in it. I don't know if I still have a carburetor cleaner, but if I do, I'm going to clean the carburetor first. So let me try to clean the carburetor first, because as you can see, it does not have a cover. So I'm gonna try to start by cleaning up the carburetor, and then I'll start the car, because now it is raining. Already, as you saw, I already poured the petrol in. I'm going to clean out the carburetor and pour some petrol in the carburetor, then start the car. So yeah, basically, hopefully it won't rain. It won't rain like too much, but I don't know. I know on camera you won't be able to see, but it's starting to pour a little bit. So yeah, so here's the carburetor cleaner, but I don't think it will be enough to clean the carburetor, but hopefully it will. As you guys saw, this is already finished and I cannot go and buy another one, but I have petrol, so I'm going to pour some petrol into the carburetor, and we'll see if it will start. Hopefully, I cross my fingers. Maybe it will, maybe it will not. Hopefully it will. That's what I'm aiming for. So let's go. What the? There's no petrol. I guess the petrol evaporated because I left a tiny bit just to pour in the carburetor, so I guess it evaporated. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to crank the car until the petrol is in the filter. Then I'm going to take the petrol that is in the filter, I'm going to pour it in the carburetor. So yeah. So we got some little bit of petrol in here. A little bit of petrol. So that's basically what we need. So let's use that. So let me let it warm up, then yeah, we'll see after that. And I think the plugs that I just bought are really, I don't remember the brand, but man, they do last. Like, it's been like six months or even more. I don't remember, but it's been so long since I've driven this car. So yeah, and as you can see, it has no number plate, even on the front. Even here at the front, it does not have a number plate. It does not have the registration, the roadworthy registration, just like this one. You see this one? This one it does have. So somebody stole everything from me. That's the reason that I put this car on hold. Let me shut it off. Yes, look at that. This radiator will need to be cleaned. Man. Guys, as you saw, the radiator it has a rust, so I'm thinking of cleaning the radiator and before I do anything, because I don't want that rust to go into the engine and cause any malfunction in the engine. So I'm going to clean the radiator and we'll see from there. So to take out the radiator, we're going to use a flathead screwdriver on this side, and there's two clips. There's this clip and there's another flathead that is going to be required over here. I don't know if you can see over there. Then that pipe, I don't worry about it because I'm just going to take the radiator out. So yeah. Here's the radiator, and just look at the water that is pouring out of the radiator. Look at it, brown, just like this rust all over, as you can see on the inside. So I'm going to clean out the radiator and I'll see you in a minute. Few minutes later, it looks much better than before, but I did not clean the whole radiator because I don't want to give the car a special attention right now. But if I get the papers, it will definitely get the love that it needs. So even on the engine bay, it will look 100% better than the way it looks right now. So the aim right now is just to drive the car the way it is until I get the papers, until I get everything. Then I can, when it's under my name, then I can do whatever I want to do on it. To put it back, we just have to follow the way we took it out. So guys, I'm going to end the video right here because I feel like if I keep on going, it's going to be a long video. So stay tuned and like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.